With looks like this, it's no surprise what the first question usually is. What's under the hood? Well, when it comes to its two new powertrains, this new Tundra delivers. Compared to the previous generation, power output and efficiency have both gone up. Way up. This is thanks to its advanced twin-turbo design, which allows it to provide tons of low-end torque when it's needed, or simply act like an efficient V6 when it's not. But if that's somehow not enough, say hello to the iForce Max. This hybrid engine is an absolute game changer. With its new single-motor design, iForce Max provides a performance-minded approach to hybrid tech that delivers even more power and even more efficiency. So what kind of transmission can put this type of power to the ground? An all-new 10-speed automatic that's designed to handle whatever the day brings, whether that's off-roading, towing, or running errands. With its 10-gear ratios, this transmission makes it easy to find the sweet spot between performance and efficiency. Gear hunting is a thing of the past. All told, these new powertrains help Tundra achieve an incredible maximum tow rating of 12,000 pounds. Now, Tundra may be full-sized, but it also knows how to play in the sand just fine. And that's not limited to TRD Pro, a proper off-road monster with its lifted ride height and special Fox shocks. In fact, the entire Tundra line is designed to deliver when the going gets rough, with all grades being offered with available part-time four-wheel drive. But of course, there's also a range of great advanced off-road features specific to TRD Pro and models equipped with the TRD Off-Road package. For instance, Multi-Terrain Monitor takes an adventurous approach to Tundra's panoramic view monitor system, providing additional angles to help see underneath, as well as important data like vehicle angle. Several top Toyota features are now offered on Tundra for the first time, including Multi-Terrain Select, which allows drivers to fine-tune the traction systems based on a range of terrain settings like sand and snow, as well as Crawl Control, which can automatically modulate the throttle and brakes on 5 low-speed settings, allowing drivers to focus on steering. Tundra also offers an available electronically locking rear differential, which can distribute power evenly to both rear wheels to help ensure drivers don't get stuck in the mud. All told, it's clear Tundra's capability doesn't end when the road does.